Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode. It's now 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm outside stalking Johan at his house. I'm waiting for him to get ready. We're gonna be 3 on the boat today. It's gonna be me, Johan, and Ray. We're gonna head down far south if possible. According to the weather predictions on the apps and the websites, we will be able to. But you know how it goes. Weather predictions will be 10 knots of gust. Then the swell will be 1.3 to 1.7. Wind direction will be westerly wind, changing over to southwest. So we are gonna definitely target dorado on our way back. And then we're gonna also target some salmon, rockhards, maybe a mussel cracker if possible. So yeah, guys, stick around. Hopefully we'll get the big ones today, and I will see you at the slipway.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I got
How's it, guys? Yeah, welcome back. It was a long day's fishing for us. In the morning the conditions were very choppy, very windy as usual. Highlights of the day: we managed to hook up on a tuna and we managed to get quota for the day. We managed to anchor in the 10-meter depth, and then as the weather gradually got better, we moved up deeper. I think we went from 10 to 14 to 17, 38, and then we went to the shipping line to go and troll for some dorado. So yeah, we did some bottom fishing and then got the tuna, and then we tried, but we got, I think, one or two inquiries on when we were trolling, but no hookups, unfortunately. But it is currently dorado season in Richards Bay. So yeah, guys, head down to Spinner Tackle, the Stop and Shop. They've got a lot of nice goodies in store. A bit of everything: freshwater, saltwater, rock and surf, even equipment for the boats. So yeah, guys, make sure to stop at Spinner Tackle when you're down here. And then also thank you to all the new subscribers to the channel. Thank you for watching. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. There's a lot of new and exciting episodes coming. Also investing in some underwater footage, so yeah, please look out for that. I think that was in my last video. So yeah, guys, I'm trying my best to get the best footage possible when we go out. So until next time, guys, tight lines, and do not forget to subscribe.